we have Seth right there with the Ugga Dug. You dropped the socket, dude. You ruined the intro. We got him taking off some tires, and we got this box right here. And in this box, guys, we got this.
I dropped it again!
This is what I bought. Car parts. No, we're replacing the inner and outer tie rod today on the good old Civic because I want to steer properly. Those things are loose, as you saw in the last video. So yeah, all right, everybody. So our first step is to remove the pin sitting under here on this bolt. Probably gonna break, but it's okay. We got new ones in there. And then, whatever. I'll get more in depth in a second. What I was about to say, but yeah. Oh, hold on, you two. All right, first of all, what I was saying, we were at Seth's house and just camber and tow, but I can't even think. He just showed me this freaking set.
He didn't know you can make an iPhone go 4K 60 frames a second and record off of it. So
No.
he's been recording off like bass like stuff.
Yeah, I just been using that. Hey, duck, what's up, duck? That's a freaking duck. Duck life, dude. Oh my god, I am mind boggled right now. But
He's just mad because I have positive camber now.
yeah, I mean his wheel's just like that and that. You know, it's okay. His wheel's only a little turn to the left. Nice. Is it working, dude?
I think this battery just died too.
Jesus. Now both batteries dead, and still a tie rod in there.
I mean, it was starting to cut.
All right, YouTube, make sure you have a charged Sawzall.
Sawzall?
Sawzall, same difference, it's backwards. YouTube, while that's charging, we're gonna go ahead and just get this side done, I guess. Because why not? Progress. You know what I mean? Yes. Seth, how do you feel about today so far?
It's been unsuccessful so far. We've gotten cotter pins out, and that's it.
Yeah, and that's just because of the Ugga Dug I put to it, so. All right, so after driving all the way to his house, getting a Sawzall that doesn't work, and then going all the way 30 minutes of that way, 35 minutes that way to somewhere called Elizabeth City. Got this new Sawzall and hoping it works. It's about to rain soon though, but yeah. YouTube Seth's over here joking on me because it's pretty bad. These sway bars, when you get them out, we Sawzalled that, by the way, that worked. It's supposed to be able to hold itself, but the other side's a lot worse though.
Dude, this side's terrible.
Look. Jeez, man. It's not like a little rubber ball.
Dude, it's bad. Like, it's real bad.
Car guy life, you know what I mean?
How do you know I'm afraid to grab a freaking Sawzall?
Really, birds? Freaking birds.
Tough life.
Anywho, now, little update. Now that Sawzall working on this side, he's going to Sawzall it off about right there because we cannot get these bolts loose. You're supposed to. And then he's supposed to unscrew it and pull it out, but that's not working. But now I got to try to get this little piece right here out. Because, yeah. All right, I'll update you on a little bit. All right, YouTube, I feel victorious. Because, whoop. All we got to do is get that boot down, get the boot down and put the new ones in. Luckily, I had enough room of a gap between there and underneath. I could get the Sawzall under there and just cut. Because after a little bit of playing, there's that right there that goes bloop. You just drop it in that hole and it prevents you from pulling it down. After a while, I figured out there was just no way we were gonna do that. Well, we got it now. We got the hard part out. Boom. Seth, how you feeling now?
Okay.
Oh, he's boring.
We gotta get this boot out, which is being a pain because it's the special way you gotta come out and you gotta jack the car up really high, and I don't have the car up high enough to get to it. And yeah.
So now we're gonna jack the car up really high and get to it and yeah, quote unquote. Literally 5 seconds after what I just did then, I come over. We have to get jack stands now because I look at the car and this, you know, it wasn't flush like this. Thing was like that because that jack just completely gave out.
I'm afraid jack clapped out on us.
Yeah, I mean, to be fair, I've had it holding stuff up for days, so it's done pretty good. But time to pull out the jack stands because better safe than sorry. I mean, that was like almost on the ground. So yeah. YouTube, to prevent anything from happening to us, just in case, I got 2 jack stands right under here, so that's gonna put 2 more over there. Should be good. Whew. I'm out of breath. Gotta run all the way back there. Anywho though, if you're enjoying this video so far, smash that like button. Just hit it. no one's watching you pee, man. I didn't even tell him. And then what you want to do? You go, bam, subscribe. Send it to all your friends because you love this channel. Don't subscribe to him because he sucks. Boo. Nah, here's his thing right here. Anywho, though, you know what? Might as well turn on notifications because why not know when me and Seth post a video? I mean, look at that dude. Got some serious clearance right here. Anywho, though, boom, do what I said. Goodbye. All right, YouTube. So we're getting this inner tie rod out. It's raining. Can't really see, of course. But after we get that inner tie rod out, we're probably gonna call it a day here and continue this tomorrow morning. Oh man, always lovely having day 1 and day 2. What do you think, Seth?
Yeah, alright, fun.
Yep. Plenty protection under here. Got the other side undone. Probably gonna try to put it on while it's put it on while it's not raining. Seth's gone. My girlfriend's there though. So yeah. Oh, we got the new inner tie rod stuff. Outer tie rod right here. So we're going to install this now and see the difference. Well, everybody started pouring. I'm in my shed with my toolbox, hard to see because it's dark. But what happened since I stopped recording all of a sudden was I finished the driver's side and then I went and moved on to the right side. My girlfriend's holding the umbrella and she's on the side, and then I finished that side. All I gotta do now is zip tie the boots together. Or finish zip tying the boot, put the hose back on that attaches to the boot, and then put tires on. That's that. Sorry I couldn't record more. I really wanted to, but like I said, it just started pouring down rain. And I absolutely need this done today because it's supposed to be raining tomorrow morning too. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, I guess, just like, comment, subscribe, more ideas. The next video is probably me leaving since, hold on, let me turn the camera around. Never mind, it's too dark. But the next video is probably gonna be the road trip adventure on the way to my school. And while I'm over there, I will talk more on the school itself and whatnot. But until then, just kind of subscribe, stay tuned. It probably won't be too much longer. In a few more days, I'll actually be leaving. So I'll try to have this uploaded and whatnot, give you something to watch. Until then, like I said, yeah, just like, comment, subscribe, share this. Let's blow up the channel. Let's get as big as Seth over there on 252 Squad. Thanks to him for coming out and helping me, leaving his tools that I needed and whatnot. That's a beautiful car. Have a great day. Well, I'm gonna call it a day now. Actually, I still gotta finish putting on the hosing, but I'm gonna call it a day anyways now for YouTube.